Let's compare Foodvisor and Yazio. So these are two nutrition apps that look similar on the surface but serve different priorities. Foodvisor is built around AI photo tracking, letting you snap a picture of your meal and instantly get calorie and nutrition info. Plus, it offers personalized coaching and premium dietitian support, making it ideal for users who want guidance and accountability. While Yazio focuses on macro tracking, fasting timers, and recipe libraries with over 3,000 meal ideas and strong community support and success stories, positioning itself as a structured all-in-one tracker for weight loss or muscle gain. Foodvisor shines in convenience and coaching, but requires a subscription, of course, for full features. Whereas Yazio is more affordable and flexible, especially for intermittent fasting and self-guided plans. And in short, if you want AI convenience and professional coaching, then Foodvisor is the better fit. But if you prefer budget-friendly tracking with fasting and recipes, Yazio wins.